To track workouts in Whoop, start by opening the Whoop app and navigating to the Strain page, which provides an overview of your daily activities. Next, click on the plus icon in the top right corner to log a new workout. Select the type of workout you are doing from the list of available options, such as running, strength training, or yoga. If your workout type is not listed, choose Other and enter a custom description. Enter the duration of your workout in minutes, and if applicable, the distance covered or the weight lifted. You can also add notes about the workout, such as the intensity level or any specific exercises performed. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click Save to log the workout. The Whoop app will then calculate the strain on your body based on the workout details you provided, and display it on the Strain page. You can also track workouts automatically using the Whoop device, which can detect certain types of exercise such as running or cycling. To use this feature, make sure your Whoop device is connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and that the app is running in the background. The Whoop app will then automatically detect the workout and log it for you, eliminating the need for manual entry. By tracking your workouts in Whoop, you can gain valuable insights into your physical activity, monitor your progress over time, and optimize your training to achieve your fitness goals. It is essential to be consistent and accurate when logging workouts to get the most out of the Whoop app. Regularly tracking your workouts will help you identify patterns and trends in your physical activity, and make data-driven decisions to improve your overall fitness and well-being.